How to download and install Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the white bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on this search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Etsy. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Here, tap on install. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is an e-commerce app. Here, you'll be able to easily buy and even sell different products. So this is a similar app to Alibaba and other eBay apps. So the installation has been done and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you